Welcome to our video on how to make your own natural electrolyte replenishment drink. Electrolytes are essential for hydration, especially after exercise or on hot days. Commercial sports drinks can be full of artificial ingredients and added sugars. Making your own natural electrolyte drink is simple and more cost-effective. You'll need ingredients like coconut water, citrus juice, and a touch of salt. Coconut water is rich in potassium, while citrus juice provides vitamin C. Salt helps replenish sodium, an important electrolyte lost through sweat. You can also add a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup if desired. Mix the ingredients together in a pitcher or shake them in a water bottle. Taste your drink and adjust the flavors to your liking if needed. It's refreshing, hydrating, and a healthier alternative to store-bought options. Plus, you can customize the recipe with your favorite flavors and ingredients. Remember to drink plenty of water along with your electrolyte drink for optimal hydration. And there you have it, your own homemade natural electrolyte replenishment drink. Stay hydrated and healthy with this simple and delicious recipe.